If your pet feels like a cloud, you're probably petting a chinchilla. Let's dive into why these little fur balls are so incredibly soft. Chinchillas are known to have the densest fur of any land mammal. With more than 20,000 hairs per square centimeter, their fur is so thick that parasites can't even burrow into it. These cuties hail from the Andes Mountains in South America, where their fluffy coats keep them warm in the chilly climate. No wonder they're the ultimate cuddle buddies. But wait, there's more. Their fur is not just for warmth, it's also super soft because each hair follicle sprouts about 50, 60 fine hairs. That's like getting buried in a pile of the softest, fluffiest pillows.